Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows and what works for me and what I do, what I use for the base before I put any kind of shadow on is I put a foundation like 3-4 times lighter than my skin tone, and that is better than wearing an all white base, especially if you're really dark like me. And that's what I was saying earlier in the video that I shot. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for liking and commenting. Give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you later. Let me know what you like to see. Comment below, let me know what tutorials you like to see on my, if you have a skin tone like me, or you have a kid, a child, your daughter, whoever, whatever, let me know what you like to see, and I will certainly make that video for you. But anyway, lots of love. Bye. Hi beauties. So today I wanted to oh wait, Thanksgiving is almost here. Are you ready? I'm not. Anyway, today I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. As you can see, my skin is dark. Actually, I have this, I'm sitting in front of a window, so I'm getting this natural lighting and I'm getting this glow. But anyway, like, my skin is really dark and I love my skin. I have another tutorial on talking about my skin in one of my videos. But anyway, today I'm just going to do my eyebrows and just show you how I do my eyebrows, and hopefully, you know, if it works for you, you can try it. But first thing I'm going to do is just put on my face, and I have this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer, and it just feels so good on my skin when I put it on. But this is what it looks like, and I hope you can see it. Ooh, can you zoom in for me, camera? Anyway, yeah. Alright, so I put maybe 2 squirts in my hand, put it on my face, and it's like almost, and even though my skin is a little bit oily, I have some cocoa butter on here. But I still love putting this on here. So let me see. I mean, you can almost, it's an instant hydrating. Oh man, instant hydration. Look at that. See the difference? And it also acts as a primer, so you can't lose. But anyway, so the first thing I'm gonna do is grab my spoolie and smooth out my eyebrows a little bit, right? Okay. And then what I use is this eyebrow gel that I got. I actually went to Africa and I went to a store. This lady, I got this right here. That's what I use, but I use the dark one because my skin tone is dark. Even though it's dark, it doesn't come out as, you know, as you can't see it. You can still see it clearly. But this light one right here, when I use it, is just too, anyway, I'm not being paid for this. I just love this product. This brown one right here, it doesn't show up whatsoever. So yeah. Alright, so what I normally do is instead of using the tip of this spoolie right here, and this is a Morphe brush or a Morphe spoolie, I'm not going to use it because for me the tip here is just a little bit too it's not going to work for me. So what I do is I have another brush that I got, and it's made by Echo Tools, and I like their brush better because it's, if you look at it, it's wider. Okay, yeah, it's wider, and I get more oomph out of it than using a small teeny tiny one. So yeah. All right. So what I'm going to do now is put a little bit base behind the back of my hand, a little bit gel, excuse me, and grab my mirror. And what I do normally is, and I'm going to, you know, come in a little closer so you can see, and all I'm doing is basically following the outline of my actual eyebrows. Okay, so, and then fill it in. Bring it down a little. There you go. And there you go. And then, you know, you don't have to really, it doesn't really need to be too much. And then the same goes for the bottom. Just follow that natural line right there. And there you have it. Draw it on there and just simply fill it in. Now, if this is difficult for you, for those of you starting, don't fret, because I know when I started, I didn't even have any clue. I had to go to Africa on vacation and watch a cosmetologist or a beautician do it for me to like get the outline.